Cody, Lonestardiggin, back on a little job I have. So I just got done, me and another young man just got done building this 50 by 60 covered awning. Finished up probably a week ago, 2 weeks ago. They done got it filled up just about. But sitting up here, before I had started my YouTube channel, I had cleaned out a little tank, a little pond. I don't know if y'all can see it off in the distance. There's a deer feeder and a windmill down there and a pond down there. And if you're sitting up here in the awning, all this brush hanging off this ledge is kind of blocking the view, you know, from the pond. So they want me to go in there and kind of clean it up where they can kind of see. If y'all stand back here, I'm under the awning now. If y'all stand back here, there's just a bunch of brush. You can't hardly see the awning and stuff. So just kind of clean this little area up here. It may be a little difficult because it's rock, nothing but rock and a ledge and everything. But we'll try to do. Even if it does grow back, you know, he's okay with it. Just trying to knock some of that brush down where he can see and where they can be able to see down there. They got a deer feeder down there and stuff. So I got my little excavator with me and I'll get started on it. I'll try to get in here kind of sideways. I can just run down the edge of it, reach down. It's kind of hard to do this just because it's so rocky and can't get a good bite on. You don't know where that stuff is and can't tell where that stuff is, and it's rocky and all the above. Like I have no idea where that my bucket is, and more than likely I'm just breaking it off. I can't really see. A lot of rock here on this edge. When we dug these piers for the awning, we wanted to go about 8 foot deep, but we were only able to go about 6 foot. We had solid rock. I mean, he was digging it, but it was hard. trying to dig some of this out. It's so rocky. Which I figured it would be rocky. I can get a little bit closer to the edge. I don't know if he wants me to. I may leave that big mesquite tree. I don't know what kind of grass that is. It's like a big clump grass, some type of clump, big clump. Whatever it is, it grows good here. nasty. I'm trying to, I don't want to really disturb this embankment. The grass, you know, and stuff is actually good to hold this stuff, to hold the bank. But they're wanting to be able to see down to their little pond and stuff. He may go in here and later on want me to put some topsoil, move all these rocks, put some topsoil down and plant some grass, some real grass. That way he can mow and maintain it. Man, it's nice. If anybody ever looking into buying a little excavator, make sure y'all get a thumb. Man, they're so handy. Those little excavator with a thumb. It's definitely worth the money spent. Surprised I hadn't ran into any rattlesnakes up here on this ledge. Well, I'm up here looking downward. Looks like maybe I need to get just a little bit lower. I'll have to go straight in, set my blade down. There's a little bit over there I need to clean up some, just to give it a little bit better view, a little better brush not in the way. So I'll start that. Y'all stay tuned. smooth all this out, push all these bigger rocks off the edge. I know with the excavator I can do that, but it's just faster with the skid loader if I'm going to have it over here. If I didn't plan on bringing the skid loader over here, I would just use the blade. But of course, as y'all know, it's a little faster with the skid loader bucket and stuff than trying to do it with a blade on a excavator. But this will kind of wrap up this little section. I'll have like these little stragglers and stuff, I'll just kind of push them off, let them rot. I went ahead and left these kind of the bigger mesquite trees here. I don't know if they're totally wanting all that gone, or is he wanting them to grow up into trees. The whole idea was to get some view down to the pond and the deer feeder down there from up here at the awning where they're going to be sitting and stuff. Well, I'm back over here on this awning where I cleared on that slope. Just trying to slick some of this up from where I had kind of messed it up with the excavator. Not much grass is going to grow in this stuff. You can see what's growing in it. Cactuses and yuccas and stuff. Can't hardly do anything with this rocky stuff besides cover it up. Seems like the more you dig, the more stuff you find and get up. Because down there on the bottom where I cleaned that tank out, it ain't like this. I guess it's up here on this shelf. There's a shelf up here. Got all this slicked up. Wasn't too big of a job. Sorry about the wind too. This guy just wanted to clear some of this out where he could see down to his little pond down there. I don't know, maybe 100 yards here. I had reached over the excavator with the excavator and trying to block the wind for y'all. And just kind of grubbed up some of this. Y'all can see the pile there. I made everything I had pulled up. Some of this may come back. It's just so rocky. Can't hardly get in there and get it good as you want. But may come in here. He may have me come in here and drop some gravel on here and kind of spread it out. That way he can maintain it once it does grow back up. So this is everything that I had gotten pulled out of here. But it turned out good. Now he can see plumb down to his pond, and for years, I'm sure it'll be years before that grew back. Maybe after we get a little rain, and it'll kind of settle all this out. But appreciate y'all watching, guys. I got a little bit more here to do, but it's different stuff, different little jobs. Appreciate y'all watching. If y'all got any questions or comments, leave them. Appreciate y'all watching, guys. We'll see y'all on the next one. God bless.